Every year, tens of thousands of people are injured by defective drugs or defective products. This brief video will explain some of the things you should be aware of if you've been injured by a defective drug or product. The laws in Nevada protect people that have been injured by defective drugs or defective products. Nevada makes it easy for you to recover compensation. For example, if you are injured by a defective drug or defective product, generally your conduct is not even an issue. It doesn't even come in to the trial because Nevada requires that if the drug could be made safer, it must be made safer. If the product could be made different so that it's safer, it must be made safer. Otherwise, it's the manufacturer's fault. Many people believe, wrongly, that if a drug or a product is approved or has a government stamp, that it's safe. Well, this is not true. The government requires that drugs or products meet a very minimum standard before they can be sold to consumers. Oftentimes, the manufacturers don't even have to test their drug or product in a way that it will be used by consumers. Now in Nevada, if the drug or product is being used in a way that's foreseeable, even if it's not the way in which it was intended, they're responsible if it causes harm or injury to someone. This area of the law is very complex and not a lot of lawyers work in this area. There are very few attorneys who have the experience, the knowledge, and the ability to handle these types of cases. Defective drugs and defective products generally are manufactured by some of the largest companies in the world. They have big insurance companies and teams of lawyers that help defend these products. And oftentimes, the defect that caused your harm has occurred elsewhere in the country, so they got a head start on the case. Because I have been doing this work for over 20 years, both for big companies and now for people like you, I understand how they work and I can help you. If you've been injured in Nevada by a defective drug or defective product, call me.